See, we were working on the company DB database and we had three tables, which are employee, project, and department. You remember these three tables? One is employee, first name, surname, column, data है
Yes,
rename,
yes.
department, and salary, right? Then we have department table, then we have project table. So three tables, and we ended with these three. First was to get the alias. So we use this as keyword for alias. Then there was where clause to give the condition. And to concatenate, you just have to write plus. Concatenation means adding two strings. Like if I said, I want to write AB plus CD, then it will become A, B, C, D, right? So adding two strings. So in the where clause, I just write select star from employee where salary is greater than 70,000. I will get all the details where salary is greater than 70,000, right? Similarly, if I write select employee ID salary as total money, so in this particular query, my salary column will get a name total money. And then there was concatenation. So I will write select first name, surname as full name, and it will concatenate both the names. So this is where we ended off in the last session. And to continue with, we will start today with the logical operators and, or, and not. Okay, let me just zoom in a bit for you so it is easier for you to read. Okay, so here it is. Anything that you want to ask, any doubts before we proceed with what we are going to start today? जो अभी तक पहले कवर किया उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन है, किसी को कोई डाउट है क्या? Okay, great. So logical operators and or not, if you have any idea what they are, if you have done any, if you have learned about logic gates or something, you would know. But regardless, let us try to understand. So when we say we are going to use a where clause, so where may we give the condition, like where salary is greater than 70,000, where ID is equal to 3. Logical operators are there to combine multiple conditions. Okay, like salary should be greater than 70,000 and department should be HR. Right. So यहाँ पे we have two conditions. So if we are using an AND statement, then it will only approve when both the conditions are true or all the conditions are true. And OR will return when any of the condition is true. And not will negate a condition. Okay. So for AND, all the conditions should be true. For OR, if any condition is true, it is fine. And for not, it will give opposite of what the condition says. So here you can see the example. It is an example of AND condition. So where ID is equal to 3 and salary is greater than 70,000. So let us go back here and let us try some of them. Right. So I will write here logical operators, right? So if the question is where department ID is 3 and salary is more than 70,000, let me do a select star from employee first, right? So can you tell me the name of the employees who satisfy this condition? Department ID is 3 and salary is more than 70,000 in this table.
Johnson.
Okay, first of all, let us do one thing. Let us do select star from employee, right? Where department ID is equal to 3, right? So out of these, Liam and Alex have salary more than 70,000, right? So we just want these two values. We do not want this person whose salary is less than 70,000. So I will combine the two conditions using and I will write where department ID is equal to 3 and salary is greater than 70,000. Right. So what change it will make? It will only get the value of those people whose salary is greater than 70,000. Right. So this is clear. Now, if I will do the same with the or condition, then what changes do you expect? Can you give me the name of the employees that I will get when I will use or instead of and here? Just have a look at the table and let me know in the chat box what all names you think should be there if instead of and I use the or condition.
Johnson. Uh, yes, sir. Like before we get now department ID 3, same names we can
Okay, can you know? Let me know in the chat box the employee IDs. Instead of name, give me the employee IDs of those that you think would be displayed here if I use the or instead of and here. This table is visible to you, all right? I don't think I can zoom it further, even though it should be there, but I'm not getting the option. Okay, let me do this for you. If you are still confused, so see in okay 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 3. Okay, so let us try one by one. Right. So first employee, neither one, neither 60,000, so we will not get. Second employee, salary greater than 70,000, we will get 2. We will get this also. We will not get this. We will not get this. We will get this also. This, and this. Okay, these are the 5 values we will get. So what will happen? I will get all the values that are there in department ID 3 and I will get all the values whose salary is 70, whose salary is greater than 70,000. Okay, so if I write or here,
Hello, hello, sir.
yes, Abhishek.
Sir, actually, I have not attended the previous SQL class, so I have not created the table of employee and department. So, what can I do?
So to create this table, actually just go through the
Previous.
second lecture and there would be within the elements there would be a file, SQL file. So you
Okay,
can copy paste the code from there if you want to save time and create the table directly.
okay.
Okay. So now you will see that in this we are getting all the people whose salary is 70 greater than 70,000, but this 68,000 is also there. Why? Because the department ID is 3. Okay. So if any of the condition is satisfied, either department ID is 3 or salary is greater than 70,000, we get all the final value. So I hope this is clear to you. What is the difference between or and? Now we will do where department ID is not 2, which means department ID could be anything but should not be equal to 2.
Hello, sir. In our condition, one condition is correct and other is false. Like,
Anyone, if any one of them is correct, then you will
uh,
get the values. Let us say
okay,
uh, I ask you that I want someone from 10th class, okay, or someone who is from Mumbai, right? Now, in a and condition, let us say I am in a school. I want students who are in 10th class and should be from Mumbai only. But in a or condition, either they could be from Mumbai, does not matter if they are in 7th, 8th, 6th standard, but they should be from Mumbai, or they could be from 10th class, does not matter if they are from Delhi, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, but they should be from 10th class. So if any of the condition is true, then it is or. But if you want both the conditions or all of the condition to be satisfied, then it is and. Okay. And in the not part, I just write, so where department ID is not 2, which means in our case, we will get all the employees with the employee ID 1 and 3. We just have to write select star from employee where not department ID is equal to 2. Okay, so I will run this and I will get the value. So I think these three are rather simple logical operators. Any questions in these? Okay, I am assuming no. So I'll just copy paste this in the chat box also for you to try. So you try writing yourself in case you are not able to get the ask me the doubt, or you can take reference from the chat box also where I shared the complete query. Let me just copy it again. I think I just shared some part of it. So just run this. I'll give you 5 minutes to practice this and let me know if you face any doubt. These are very simple queries, but I hope you understand the concept of and, or, and not here. These three are important. We will like use them further in complex queries also when we have multiple conditions where we are working on, you know, joins and all those things. Then also we can have condition. It is not just a where clause. So just write these queries and let me know in the chat box when you're done.
Hello,
Yes, Abhishek.
sir. How can I copy and paste from the file because I have not find the second class. Sir.
Okay, just can you share your screen and open your elements?
Okay, okay. Hello.
Yes, can you click on this second lecture? Don't click on start, click on this. Yes. See this
Okay.
SQL query, download this file and open this file. You will get all the queries from that lecture.
Yes, sir, like this.
Yes. So you can run this, first create the database, then create the tables, then create this, and go through the recording also. You will understand how we are doing it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Like this table, then we create the table of employee.
Yes.
Yeah, department. Okay.
Okay. So are you guys done with that like, sorry, not like and not operator?
What?
I'm asking other students, are they complete with this?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Understood.
great. So let us move forward with the new thing that we have is like operator. Okay. So when we are comparing with normal numerical values like equal to 2, greater than 30,000, right, less than 75, then we directly use the where clause with these kind of less than equal to operators. But when we are dealing with string comparison, right, let us say I want to get the name of all those students who have, let us say, Jane in their name, or whose name starts with a S, right, or whose name is 5 character long. In these kind of scenarios, we use the like operator. Okay, so like is used for string comparison. Okay, where percentage represents 0 or more characters and underscore represents a single character. Okay, now let me explain this in detail. Yes, Nilesh. Okay, I think you left a note by mistake. So yeah, so in percentage it represents 0 or more characters. So how this works? Let me tell you. So if I write here a percentage, okay, so this could be 0 characters, 1 characters, 2 characters, 3 characters, 15 characters, does not matter. All that matters is that this word starts with A. So this could mean AB, this could mean apple, this could mean Aman. But just to ensure that word starts with A, we can write A percentage, right? So it can represent any number of characters. If I write A underscore, so it will represent a single character. Now this can only mean AB, AC, AF, AH. Okay, only a single character. So that is what they are about. Percentage can represent 0 or more characters, and underscore will represent a single character.
Hello,
Just
hello.
remember, yes, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. In this more is what like what
More
is
is,
more character like?
it could be any, like 0 is what it starts with. More is like anything greater than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Like
5, 6,
one, two,
7, 8.
three. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So now we'll just remember this percentage. When you don't know how many character you want, if the question specifies that it should be 4 character long or anything like that, then you have to use the underscore. Okay, just remember these two things, and we will do certain examples for you to make it more clear. Okay, like here you can see, find employees whose first name ends with the letter A. Now, ends with the letter A means it should end with A. But before A, it could be anything, because employee name can be of 5 letters, 6 letters, 7 letters. So I will just write percentage A, which means it ends with A. If I want to write it starts with A, I will write A percentage. Right. If you want to find where it contains some string, like in between the name, it should contain sun. Anywhere it could happen. So you have to write percentage, sun, percentage. Right. So after sun, there could be anything. Before sun, there could be anything, but sun should be there. Right. Like Johnson, Morrison. So in this case, sun is at the end, but we are trying to find it anywhere if it is there. If you want to get the first name of those employees when it is exactly 4 character long, you can use the underscore underscore, as it is used for fixed character. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 underscore will mean that it should be 4 character long, cannot be less, cannot be more. If I write A character character character, it means starts with A and is 4 character long. So I suppose this is clear to you, percentage and underscore. Let us do some questions here so that it becomes lot more clear to you what we are talking about. You got the concept, right? Any doubts with the concept, what and why we are using this? I will write here for string comparisons, right?
Also, it's clear.
Okay, then our first question is, let us say I want to get first name of the employees starts with A and ends with A. I will just write select star from employee where first name, then I will write like. Now it starts with A. Okay, just a second. And also one that ends with A. Okay, so I'll write two different queries for A that starts with A and ends with A, because I don't think there are many names that starts with A and ends with A also, right? There is no such name. Okay, so first of all we will write, okay, I'll write here for less confusion, for starts with A. Okay, so where first name like within single quotes, whenever we are dealing with string, remember we have to use this A, and we will write A %. So it will mean I will run this and it will give me Alex, where first name starts with A. Similarly, for ends with A, I will write the same query, but I will just replace this percentage and it will end with A instead of starting with A, right? So you can see Emma, Sophia, Olivia, the last letter is A. The length of the character could be anything, because Emma is 4 character long and Sophia is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 character long, right? So let us say if I were to get where first name is 4 character long, right? So I will write again select star from employee where first name like 1, 2, 3, 4. I will give 4 underscore. It will give me John, Jane, Alex, Emma, Liam. If I want to get starts with L and is 4 character long, I will just replace one character with a L. I will only get Liam now, right? So that is how it works. And for you, I do have certain questions. One more thing, if you have, like, let us say where employee name, okay, let me write it like this, where employee names start between, let us say, H to Z, then we can simply write select star from employee where first name like, and I can just write here in square brackets the range. So I can write H to Z. Okay, I'll write a percentage because it has to have something after H to Z, and I will get John, Jane, Michael, Sophia, L, and Olivia. Okay, because this starts from J, which is coming after H, but it is there before Z or Z, right? So just do these 4 questions, and I have certain questions for you to practice also. So I'll give you these 4 to try, but after that you have to solve some questions for you. And first is name of employees that contain MM, and then name of employee that starts with J and ends with N. So do these two questions along with this query, and just let me know the solution of these two in the chat box. Any doubts in these four? Any doubt in what like operator is, what percentage is, what underscore is?
Sir, can you repeat? I've just joined. My network has issues since yesterday.
Okay, so repeat the whole thing.
If you can just give me a little bit, that will be okay. I'll see the session in
Okay,
the evening.
so see this logical operator, this and or and not we have done. So you can do this later also. You can just start with what we are doing right now. So right now I'm doing like operator. Okay, like operator, we use it to compare the string. Like in where clause, normally we can compare with numbers greater than 70,000, less than 3, equal to 5, right? But if we were to deal with string values like sentences or names or anything that is a word and not a number. So what we can do, we can compare strings like it starts with A, it is 5 character long, it has H in there, right? So for that purpose, we use the like operator. In like operator, there is a percentage and there is a underscore. The percentage represents 0 or more characters. So if I write a percentage, it means it starts with A but can be any character long. If I write percentage A, it means it ends with A but could be any character long, right? But in case of this underscore, it represents only a single character. So if I write A underscore, it can only be of 2 character long. Like A percentage could be AB, it could be Apple, it could be Asia, it could be Australia. But A underscore can only be AB, AC, AD, AE, this kind of thing. Right. So here you can see the examples of what I have done. See, where the name starts with A. So first name like A percentage, ends with A percentage A. 4 character long, 4 underscore.
Okay.
So just try these questions, you will understand them and see if you can do these two by yourself. Otherwise, obviously, I will share you the solution also of how to do this. So you
Okay.
have like, I'll give you 10 minutes to first of all write these and do this. Whoever completes these two questions, just share your solution in the chat box so that I can check if you're doing it right or wrong. Okay. So Satya has written, let's start from employee where first name like MM. Okay. So I think this is correct. Let me copy paste here and run it. Okay, great. Now, second question is, okay, I'm pasting the solution from those who have done, but you try yourself also. I've copy pasted the question in the chat box. Try it yourself so that you can get a better outlook. Okay, so first is solved. Now I'll wait for the other round.
What was the second question? Acha, J, start with J and end with N.